In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to embed moving images and audio in Miro. By the end of this tutorial, you'll be well equipped to enrich your Miro boards with engaging visuals and sounds that capture attention and convey ideas more effectively. Let's dive right in and start with GIFs, those lovely moving images that can add so much character to our boards. The simplest way to get your GIF onto a Miro board is by dragging and dropping the file directly from your computer. This straightforward method is quick and intuitive, allowing you to see your GIF animations in action almost immediately. If, however, you prefer using the toolbar, you can opt for the upload option, then select My Device. This method might be more familiar to those who are accustomed to traditional upload procedures. Miro gives you the flexibility to use whatever approach suits your workflow best. Alternatively, if you have a GIF stored online or a URL link, you can make use of your copy and paste functionalities. Simply copy the file or URL using Ctrl on a PC or CMD on a Mac, followed by the letter V to paste. Miro will prompt you to choose an option. Select Paste as Image to seamlessly integrate your GIF into the board. Now, let's move on to audio. While Miro does not support the direct upload of audio files such as MP3s, don't let that limit your creative possibilities. Instead, you can host your audio on a third-party service. Platforms like YouTube, SoundCloud, and Spotify are excellent choices, not just for their vast storage capabilities, but also for their ease of sharing. Once your audio is uploaded and ready on one of these services, simply copy its URL link. Bringing audio into Miro is straightforward with the help of the Embed tool, which you can find under Tools or via the Upload menu. Click on this option, and when prompted, paste the URL you've copied from your audio hosting site. Once you hit Confirm, Miro automatically converts it into an interactive widget right there on your board. This widget not only provides visual reinforcement for your ideas, but also invites your audience to engage with your content through its intuitive play button functionality. Incorporating GIFs and audio into your Miro boards not only elevates the visual appeal, but also fosters multi-sensory engagement, making your presentations more dynamic and memorable. Whether you're collaborating on a team project or designing an individual board, these elements can profoundly enhance the storytelling potential of your work. So feel empowered to experiment and make your Miro boards come alive in ways that best express your creativity and vision. Thanks for watching, and happy Miroing.